My weight has always been a sensitive topic for me. I never felt content in my body and have always wanted to be toned and slim. However, it wasn't easy to achieve. My job took pretty much all of my time. And when I was out of work, I was way too exhausted to hit the gym. Stress was a major factor in my weight gain as well. So I mostly ate unhealthy snacks and junk food. As you can imagine, my figure certainly didn't benefit from this kind of lifestyle. I decided to do something about it and started to look for some quick and effective weight loss remedies. The more natural, the better, and I found a recipe that truly changed my body, making me lose up to 10 pounds a day. So, if you want to follow in my footsteps, here's what you have to do. Take a ½ inch of ginger and cut it into small pieces. Then take a lime and extract the juice out of it. Leave this juice on the side for now. Boil the lime peel and ginger in 2 cups of water for about 5 minutes. When the time is up, strain the boiled mixture, add the lime juice, and finish it off by adding 1 teaspoon of honey. Your remedy is ready. Drink it 3 times a day about 1 hour before a meal and prepare to be amazed. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. From my experience, apple cider vinegar is a great remedy for weight loss. The main component to thank is acetic acid. It's full of anti-inflammatory and anti-obesity properties which boost your metabolism and take you one step closer to your dream body. The easiest thing you can do is mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. Drink this mixture twice a day. You can also add a little bit of honey for better flavor and effect. If you want to go for a more complex recipe, try making a green tea and apple cider vinegar mix. Start by heating 1 cup of water until it begins to boil. Remove the pot from the flame and add 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves to the boiled water. Close the lid and let them soak and steep for 2 to 3 minutes. When that's done, strain the mixture and add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of honey to the finished tea. I drank this mixture every evening before going to bed, and let me tell you, it's great not only for weight loss, but also for relaxation. Number 2. Lemon and honey drink. The combination of lemon and honey is usually thought of as an irreplaceable cure for colds and the flu. But not that many people know that it's actually a miracle combo for a great figure. Think about it. The vitamin C that can be found in lemons is really helpful for fat oxidation, and honey improves digestion. What more could you want? To make this magical drink, extract the juice from half a lemon and add it to a glass of warm water. Make sure you stir the mixture well, and then you can add 2 teaspoons of honey. Stir it once again and drink the mixture right away. You should repeat this procedure 3 times a day. So it's better not to combine it with the lime and ginger drink. I drank it for a couple of days after finishing the lime and ginger treatment to strengthen the results, and I was certainly not disappointed. Number 3. Honey and cinnamon mix. You've probably noticed that I've mentioned honey in pretty much every recipe so far. You can mix it with all kinds of weight loss ingredients, but for this recipe, I'm going to pair it with cinnamon. It targets the abdominal fat on your body, which is the most difficult to get rid of, and eliminates it perfectly. For this recipe, add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon to a cup of warm water and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of raw honey to the mix and stir it to make sure that all the ingredients make a well-combined drink. It's better to drink this solution on an empty stomach, so I did it every morning before breakfast, and my belly fat quickly lost the battle. Number 4. Lime and raspberry smoothie. If you like smoothies, this one should definitely make it onto your menu. Lime is well known for improving digestion and boosting metabolism thanks to its citric acids. Raspberries are low in calories, which is always a benefit, and relatively high in fiber. The best thing about fiber is that it digests rather slowly, which means that you feel full for longer periods of time. All these factors change your body way more than you think. Thankfully, a lime and raspberry smoothie is very easy to make. Squeeze the juice of a lime, chop some raspberries, and put it all in your blender along with half a cup of water. Wait until the ingredients blend into a pureed mixture and consume. From my experience, doing it once or twice a week is more than enough. Number 5. Parsley solution. At the beginning of my weight loss journey, I didn't really like parsley. But reading about its amazing properties really changed my mind, and incorporating a parsley recipe into my diet made me fall in love with it. But let's start with its properties. First of all, it's rather rich in vitamin C, which means that parsley, just like lemon, helps digestion and contributes to fat oxidation. Secondly, it contains fiber. No snacks necessary. So if you're interested, write down the recipe of one of my all-time favorite weight loss drinks. Step 1. Wash 1 cup of parsley leaves and then blend them. Step 2. Add the juice of half a lemon and a bit of honey to the blended leaves. Step 3. Enjoy your delicious drink. Consume it every morning for 5 days straight. Then take a break from it for 10 days, and then you can drink it for another 5 days. Believe me, the results are surely worth it. Number 6. Cucumber and grapefruit treat. This is the most complex drink on my list, but the results certainly won't make you think twice about whether you should make it again. Cucumbers are fat-free and high in water, which promotes weight loss. Grapefruits contain AMP-activated protein kinase, a crucial enzyme that helps your body assimilate sugar and burn calories. And lemons are, once again, an impeccable source of vitamin C that leads to fat oxidation. To make this drink, chop half a sliced cucumber, a lemon, and a medium-sized grapefruit. Put all of the ingredients in the blender and add a cup of water and a couple of mint leaves if you like them. Make sure the mix is blended nicely. Put it in the fridge for a little bit to chill, and there you go! Your body will surely enjoy this healthy and refreshing treat. Do you know any other natural remedies for weight loss? Tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe. Stay on the bright side!